as that.
But systematically explain me.
Okay. Now,
Like from the beginning, like why isn't India in the World Cup right now playing?
Okay.
What are we doing wrong? From the talent development, from scouting to AIFF to all the politics to all the stuff that you just explained me right
fine. So we have a legacy which has been going on from the British times. First of all, there is a fallacy again, which I'm now going to go a little bit off topic to go again why we Indians have not been able to do well in sports, international sports or any other area till around 10 years ago.
now. Cricket, we are killing
10 years ago.
Okay.
So I'm saying 83 World Cup, उसके बाद अगला World Cup
11.
हाँ तो तुक्का लग गया था ना उस टाइम पे, तो be honest हो गया, तुक्का लगा था वो. So that's the whole thing, तुक्का लगा था भाई. You didn't expect it, nobody expected to win it, and beating West Indies, and ज़रा तुक्का लग गया था, and that's what the power of the beautiful game is.
But you can't say tukka lag gaya.